4 to 6 weeks before your last spring frost. Start your lettuce seeds indoors, in a moist seed starting mix. Sow only about 1/4 inch deep. Then water the soil. Ensure the indoor temperature remains between 16 and 21 degrees Celsius, to ensure proper germination. Germination should occur within 7 to 10 days. Transplant seedlings outdoors, when they are 2 to 3 inches tall, and are adjusted to the outdoor weather. Space plants 6 to 8 inches apart, if you're growing leaf lettuce, or 10 to 12 inches for heads of lettuce. When growing lettuce, consistent moisture is key, as their shallow roots dry out fast. Water lightly, but often. Avoid overhead watering, to reduce rot. Unlike most crops, lettuce actually prefers cooler weather, but if it gets too cold, the plant's growth will slow down. And if it gets too hot, the leaves will turn bitter, and the plant may begin to flower. Cover with shade cloth, during very hot weather. Lettuce needs at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, in cool weather, or 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, in warm, or hot weather. Some common lettuce pests include aphids, slugs and snails, cutworms, leaf miners, and flea beetles. Common diseases include downy mildew, powdery mildew, bottom rot, and lettuce mosaic virus. To prevent these pests and diseases, avoid planting lettuce in the same spot every year, don't water overhead, remove infected or damaged plants, cover plants, to block pests, and space plants well for proper airflow. Depending on the type of lettuce being grown, it can take anywhere from 40 to 85 days from seed to harvest. Harvest during the morning, as that's when the lettuce is most crispy. Also, don't wait too long to harvest, as the leaves can become bitter. For leaf lettuce, harvest the outer leaves, and they will grow back. For romaine and iceberg, harvest the whole head, however they likely won't grow back.